grandma like that at home? And do grandpa at home?
He says we sing at home.
Yeah. Are you talking? Yeah. Oh, he is.
Logan. Look at that.
Logan.
You're gonna love that.
Hey.
Logan.
They got miniatures.
Who's that? Oh, there she is.
Over there. Look
There
over
she.
there. Okay.
Logan.
See it?
Gotta
Gotta sit him up.
Logan. Logan.
not very clean.
Logan.
Huh.
Hey, Logan.
What'd you
Not
say?
very affectionate.
Logan, where'd you go
Not
to?
very
He
friendly to
says.
other dogs.
Original function. Dog
I know
function.
you're
Get his face.
Big smile.
Logan.
Oh, wow.
Logan, what are you doing?
This way we'll go with the French Bulldog.
While I'm entertaining on my
Here
back.
comes Angie
Right
to
there.
come. Look it. See the cat?
Very.
I know, Kimmy. She's sitting on everybody. She thinks this is real sociality night. Everybody's here. I'm getting-
Sociality.
Yeah, Miss Sociality night. Look at. Okay, I'm right here. You going kissy kissy, Benny?
No.
No. He would kiss him if he had the chance.
Those two.
He'd love to kiss him.
Those two teeth are pretty prominent.
Oh, he says
Yeah.
those are yappy dogs. There's those noisy dogs.
What did she do? What does he do when he sees a kitty? Anything?
Oh, but he's been looking at Grant's
Not
kitties.
much.
Game.
He actually petted Sid this morning. She got close enough for him to pet her. It's taken them a few days to.
Well, it's
Come
just
around.
the color too.
Yeah.
I think it's
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, Sid comes close down, flops